You guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this foosball table that I got sent. This thing is amazing and we have been having so much fun with it as a family. Now this thing is legit. This is a really nice foosball table. It's just high quality. It's heavy duty. It doesn't feel like cheap and like it's gonna break. This stuff can withstand some intense foosball playing. So it's really, really nice. It comes with 4 balls, which is awesome. And then it comes with the different black and white characters, as well as little scoring pieces on the end. It comes with the little cups to insert, and then it also comes with the catchers on the side. So this is full circle foosball table. Now this thing is really, really cool. This was like a 1 to 2 person setup. It took about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. There's just lots of little screws that you've got to put in, but I actually really like that because then these guys stay in place. Like they are not budging. You can spin these, you can get them pretty crazy, and they do a very, very good job. So absolutely been loving this. This thing is awesome. I really like the color of it. It's just black, so it's basic. It would fit in a whole bunch of different places. And I love this one because it is really nice and heavy duty, but it's not like huge and bulky. There's not a ton of excess on it. So yes, you need space for it, but you don't need like a huge space. You guys, this thing is amazing. My husband and I have been playing it. We've been playing with our kids. This is going to get so much use in my house. I absolutely love it. Really high quality, really nice handles. They're nice, like a rubbery handle, so they're super comfortable. It comes with everything you need to set this up. It really wasn't too difficult. Everything was labeled really well, so it was not a mystery on what goes where, or else this would not have been set up correctly. So absolutely love this, you guys. This is awesome. This is such great entertainment for family, for kids, for whoever. Hop on, check this one out. Stick with me to the end of this video. You're going to see me loving this with our kiddos. This is awesome. Make sure you get on and check it out. All right, so here are my 2 little kiddos playing. They are having a blast. They have seriously been loving this, and we've actually started playing in teams, which is so fun. But you can see right here, this is just high quality. It's really fun for all ages. And now I'm going to show you my husband and I getting pretty intense in a game right here. But I just love this because it does not feel like anything's going to break. This is solid. It feels great. All the pieces move and turn and twist just like they should. This is so fun. This is a huge hit in our house, you guys. I love this one and I highly recommend. So I think everybody should hop on, grab one of these, put it somewhere in your house, and let your family have a blast. 10 out of 10 recommend.